Exciting news from Appraiser eLearning. If you've missed out on the UAD 3.6 Bootcamp, we're offering one last chance to join us for a 3-day bootcamp on UAD 3.6. That's got to be in Dallas, Texas, June 24th, 25th, and 26th. If you haven't been to a bootcamp, it breaks down like this. We've got 2 days of continuing education. Day 1, June 24th, is Joel Baker teaching ScanToSketch, mobile appraising for appraisers. Day 2, I'll be teaching the Appraiser's Guide to the new URAR. That's everything the GSEs want us to know about UAD 3.6. And then on day 3, June 26th, we have a non-CE seminar where all of the software providers are going to be in the room to demonstrate their software in real time. You can ask them questions, you can corner them and get them to help you understand how their product works. Ask them what it does, ask them what it doesn't do. In addition, on day 3, on the non-CE seminar day, we've got representatives from Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac in the room to answer our questions in real time. If you've missed the boot camp so far, this is your last chance to join us. Dallas, Texas, June 24th, 25th, 26th. I hope to see you there.